Okay, our trail is covered with all kinds of stuff. Let's walk for a little bit here. See if we can get around. Be careful, don't fall down. I can't pick you up. Okay, this is the trail. Let's work our way around. Goodness. Crunch under our boots. Ooh, there's another one. Okay, here we go.
Snow blocking her screens over there.
Oh yeah, all the screens are covered, yeah. Get that lake effect. Let's see, can you see it? The lake is out there somewhere. Look at these evergreens. Oh my God, it's spectacular. Okay, let's try this again. Get through the gully down here. Keep the video on for a few minutes. Oh, this one's really blocked. Gives you a whole new perspective, doesn't it? When they get so heavy laden. Okay. Duck under that one. Duck. I guess if we were going to see deer, this is where we might see them. Under this. Snow. Don't realize how heavy the snow is till it weighs down those branches. There's a branch. Whew. Amazing. This is what happens when you spend your winters in the south and you forget what all this is like. It's what you wake up to.